So now guys, lalagyan pa namin ito.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. You make it like this, Bea. Don't just put in one place. Yeah. Just like this. On the other side.
Guys, is it colorful, guys?
Okay, guys, na rin siya. Oh my gosh. Ay, guys! What happened, guys? It's all over the floor, guys.
Yeah. And we're on the table.
Now, ito na po yung finish. Let's not finish it all because we still...
The last one, okay?
Hmm.
Yeah, I'll put it in my hand.
No more, no more.
Can I get some in for this?